Welcome to our HP Computer Setup Guide. Today, we're unboxing your new HP computer. Let's see what's inside the box. Let's identify the key components of your HP computer. Here's the main unit: power cable, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Setting up your workspace is crucial. Ensure your monitor is at eye level and your chair supports your back for comfortable use. Now, let's connect the power and peripherals. Plug the power cable into a wall outlet and connect your keyboard and mouse. It's time to power on your computer for the first time. Press the power button and watch it boot up. Follow the on-screen instructions to install your operating system. This will involve choosing your settings and connecting to Wi-Fi. Next, let's set up essential software and customize your settings for optimal performance. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting your provider from the list and entering your password. We recommend checking for updates and installing the latest drivers to ensure your device runs smoothly. Congratulations! You are now ready for professional use. Remember to keep your system updated and back up your files regularly.